When someone has a big presentation, he or she often has a plan to achieve success. When taking a test, we also want to have a plan. Beyond mastering content knowledge, we need strategies to break down the question. Previewing the question and recognizing the type of question will provide you more understanding and help you determine the right answer. Recognizing the question stems can make you a great test taker. Here's our learning target for today. When reading to take a test, identify and analyze the type of question to help determine the correct answer. So what does this all mean? Let's look at an example that may come from your science class. The questions on a test often come from the standards of that particular class. For example, you may be studying why people have different eye colors in science class. This is because one of the standards that your science teacher must teach is about heredity and how genes affect eye color. So basically, your teacher is told through the standards what they need to teach you in class. So in ELA, there are many different standards. Therefore, it is important that you, as a test taker, can recognize the question stems so you know which standard is being assessed. For this lesson, we're going to start with these standards: theme, central idea, summary, and author's purpose. What I would like for you to do now is to match the standard with the definition. Please go ahead and pause the video. Restart the video once you have matched these. All right, let's check your answers. All right, there we go. So theme is the universal message, moral of the story. Your central idea is the main idea, the most important idea. Author's purpose is the reason why one writes a topic, and summary is usually a retelling of the important parts. Here's one thing that you're going to want to remember when taking a test. Theme often refers to fiction, while central idea often refers to nonfiction. On some tests, central idea and theme are used interchangeably. Keep this in mind. If you have more questions about this, your teacher should be able to help you with this. So let's talk now about the question stems. Question stems may be about the same standard, but worded completely different. So let's look at an example of that. Your standard could be theme. And here's one question that you may see that's based on the standard of theme. What is the theme of The Fox and the Hare? Now here's another way that you could word this question on theme. What is the main lesson that can be learned from The Fox and the Hare? As a test taker, I need to recognize that when they say main lesson that can be learned, I recognize and realize that they're referring to theme. Let's look here at another example. Central idea. One question that you might see for central idea would be as followed. What is the central idea of Big Trouble for Grade 8s? Here is another question stem. What is the main idea from Big Trouble Grade 8s? As a test taker, I need to recognize that main idea also means central idea. So effective test takers recognize that the questions are about the same standard, even though the questions are worded differently. What you will now do is you are going to do some station practice. You are going to match question stems to different categories. Your 4 categories will be theme, central idea, summary, and author's purpose. Each category will match with 4 questions. Go ahead and pause the video and start your station.